Our lesson continued. The locations of 4 animals relative to sea level are shown. So we have a seagull up here. That's 3/4 yard above sea level. Remember, sea level is at 0. We have a dolphin that is -1/4 yard from sea level. Shark that's -5/10 yard from sea level. And a sea turtle that is -1 yard from sea level. All right, so what we are going to do is we are going to, first of all, we're going to take these and we are going to plot them on our number line. So, if we have this first one, the seagull, we will take this dot and we are going to plot it on this number line. So we're going to plot the locations of the animals. The seagull is 3/4 yard. So 1, 2, 3/4 above 0. That'll be the seagull. The dolphin is -1/4. So -1 of those 4. The shark is -5/10 or -1/2. So it's going to be negative down here. And then -1 is going to be that sea turtle, which will be down here. Now we're going to figure out, okay, so we have the shark. We're going to compare the shark and the dolphin. The shark and the dolphin. Which is bigger or which is closer to 0? Well, it looks like the shark is further down, so it looks like the dolphin is closer to 0. So the dolphin is going to be greater. So we are going to have the big mouth eating the dolphin. So we are going to take this symbol here. So the shark is going to be less than that dolphin. And that is going to be it for our, there we go. That's going to be it for our lesson continued. Great job.